So you might be trying to figure out why the Instagram DM Pong game is not working for you. Now, as you can see, it is working for me right now, but I will tell you this is going and rolling out to random people at random times. So it's not available to everybody just yet. So just keep that in mind. It's going to be very popular. I'm sure a lot of people are going to talk about it very soon, but I will tell you it's rolling out for everybody. So to say that, what I will recommend doing is going through and going into any Instagram DM panel that you have and essentially sending out one emoji. Don't send out multiple emojis, just send out one particular emoji. So it can be any emoji that you choose, and you can go and send it. Now when you do that, all you want to do is just tap onto that particular emoji like this. Now when you do that, this page will come up, or it'll just give you nothing. Make sure you're not holding down on it and just tap on it. Now the reason why this is not happening for you yet, or why you don't have this feature, it could be because you haven't updated Instagram. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your App Store, your Google Play Store, whatever you have. You want to click on the search bar, and you just want to search up Instagram. So type in Instagram just like this, and you want to go and update your Instagram application. Now you can see for me, my Instagram app hasn't even been updated in a while, and I still have this feature. So go ahead and update your Instagram app, and that could end up fixing it for you. But for a vast majority of people, the reason why you're not getting this particular feature is because it's just not rolled out to your account. Now in my area, I guess it doesn't even matter what area you're in, because I have 2 other Instagram accounts I tried this on, and it was not working on those accounts, but on this particular account, it was actually working. So it's just completely random. I was actually shocked when I saw this. So keep that in mind, that it's completely random as it's coming out, and it's not available for everybody just yet, but it's going to be rolling out. So you may just have to wait a little bit of time, but over time you should be able to see this feature, and that's basically it. So give it some time. You can try, deleting Instagram, logging back in, but most of it, you're just going to have to wait out until you get that particular feature. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.